Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So right now I'm still in Phuket. I'm actually here for 4 nights, but I like to explore different areas and stay at different hotels. And now I am at Twinpalms, Phuket, which is the Surin beach. So I have booked the premium room, and when I check in they have upgraded me to the premium Lagoon room, which when I step out is actually the lagoon linking to the main swimming pool, which is very nice. I will show you in a minute. But I booked the premium room because I want more space, and let me do my first take room tour for you. So when I walk in, here is the area where they put an espresso coffee machine, some water, and all others are actually mini bar, which the price is over here. Okay, so only the coffee and tea is included and the water. Okay, and the mini bar, let me check what they have. Oops, how to open it. Okay, there you go. Okay, so they do have wines and everything, so of course you have to pay for that. And even with like a shop, if you want the baseball cap or any additional amenities or t-shirts, you have to buy it. Okay, so that's pretty much this corner when I walk in. And then it's a very smart design, good use of the space. So here is, the sofa area. And then, before I get out, this is the Lagoon premium room that I can actually step out and go into the water and then swim over to the main pool. Before I do that, let's take a quick look of the room. As I say, it's very careful use of the space and design, with the ceiling fan, with a nice painting, and the full king size bed. This is honestly like really big size king size bed, and of course thick mattress, like nice wobble slippers, and then they have the panel to control the lighting, the temperature and everything. And then the television is over there. Okay. And then this is the table, a work table with all the plugs and everything that is facing out to the lagoon view. And they have included a thank you note, a handwritten thank you note, as well as a small gift that I can take away, which is nice. Okay, so let's take a look what is inside here. I don't think there's anything here. Okay, so this is basically the notepad and the film, because there should be some stationery. Okay, in-room dining, room directory. There you go, with the piece of paper and envelopes and the map of the resort. Actually, I have stayed here before, like many years ago, and I'm revisiting this hotel in this area. So it's very similar to what I have in mind before. And this is the door that can pretty much close up to separate the bedroom and the bathroom. Okay, so here inside there is double sink, there is the sitting area here, and then the bathtub with the plants as the backdrop. And of course, okay, let's take a look what's inside here. Okay, that is the safe deposit box, some beach towel. The beach bag is actually, you need to purchase it. So they do not have any beach bag that you can take out with you. And then over here, I just put my luggage in here, and then they have the bathrobes umbrellas and good number of hangers. Okay, so you can see they have very good number of towels, thick fluffy towels, and those are the amenities that they provide. Okay, so here let's show you the bathtub first. They have the bath salt. You know, this is the size of the bathtub for like a single person, but as I say, with plants as the backdrop, which is nice. And okay, this is the toilet. And then on this side is the rain shower. And this is the amenities. Okay, so if you close the door, this is the size of the bathroom. So this used to be, you know, the design standard for luxury resort many years ago. You know, the proportion of the bathroom to the bedroom, and it's done very nicely. Okay, so the last part of my room tour is to go out. Okay, so she has opened the door for me, and this is the part that I can actually walk out from her room and can step into the water and then swim out to the main swimming pool. So this is why this is called the Lagoon Premium Room. Okay, so let me get back in the room, and I am going to have dinner here, and of course breakfast tomorrow morning before I head to another hotel in the other area. So please continue to watch and continue to follow me to find the best affordable luxury hotels in Phuket for you. Good morning.